Hello everyone. So this is the backend demonstration of our Go project. Uh, so I'll start with the structure of the project and then we'll move on to give a live demonstration of the code and the APIs. So as we have written our backend in Go, this is our main.go file. In this, we currently have three APIs which are open. The first one is the register API where we allow users to register to our portal. And second one is the login API which allows user to log in back once they have registered with our portal. So basically, we are creating a dating website, a dating web app in which the initial features that we have added is registration for the user, a login for the user, and in the second sprint, we plan on adding user's profile connection matching with the other users on the portal, and so on and so forth. Also, for the documentation purposes of our APIs, we have added Swagger. We have integrated Swagger with our backend code. So, uh, whenever we run the command of swag init, Swagger creates documentation from its own end, and this is reflected in the docs.yml file, which my partner in the backend code will demonstrate you in a while. And then we have the database connections, which we have added in the db.go file. We have the middlewares, and we have the handlers. So in the handler, you can see the login function, and also we have the register function, and all these at the rate that you see are Swagger are the system to set up Swagger with our APIs. So now Ane, who is my project partner in the backend side, will give you a demonstration on how these APIs are running and how we have integrated Swagger.
Now I will demonstrate the two APIs that we are using for the backend. First is the register API and the second one is the login API. For the register API, we'll take into account three inputs: username, email, and password. And on execution, we get a status that the user is registered successfully. We can also cross check it at the database that the user has been added. The user has been added, and now we can also log in the user using the same credentials, the same username and password. On execution, we'll get a token ID, and based on these tokens we can proceed to further profile execution and information proceedings. Thank you.